What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video, and we gotta go over Dogecoin today because there is a lot of stuff going on inside of Dogecoin. And the first thing I want to talk about with Dogecoin is right now, this increase that we're on right now, it seems like it's way too much, like it's way too steep of an increase. Usually whenever we have an increase like this that's so steep, we usually come back down to another trend line. So we'll more than likely trickle back down a little bit because this is just too much growth inside of such a short period of time. It's a steep jump from the bottom all the way up to 20 cents, and we did get all the way up to 23 cents. But in my opinion, remember, I'm not a financial advisor, that's just my opinion. This is not financial advice. I'm just saying it just seems a little too steep, and we were actually on the way for consolidation. But then we had that random increase in price right here, 2 days ago, or 3 days ago actually, and it just ended up jumping all the way up there for some reason, and it was because of the Elon Musk thing. There's a bunch of whole stuff going on, right? There's a bunch of stuff going on left and right. So anyways, we're going to go over all of that, but we're going to go over what's going on right now inside of Dogecoin. So currently what we have going on right now, we see Dogecoin at 1.59% for the last 24 hours. Then we have 4% for the last 7 days with Dogecoin. And then, everything else is outpacing Dogecoin right now. We got Bitcoin, 24% for the last 7 days, 3.98% for the last 24 hours. So yeah, we have a lot of different things outpacing Dogecoin as well as Ethereum. But that's not what we're here to talk about. What we're here to talk about is all the stuff going on inside of Dogecoin. So I just like to show everything before I get on with the news that we have with Dogecoin. $26.7 billion market cap, lots in market cap. We have whales still buying into Dogecoin left and right. So without further ado, let's go over our actual news now that we got all the little stuff out of the way. So let's go over what we have to go over. Now, there was this whole event with Dogecoin, right? There's this whole Ethereum and Dogecoin bridging event, and it wasn't really an event, it was more like an interview, but a four-way interview here. So we're going to go over that and what this means for Dogecoin and what we currently have going on. So this whole interview was with Vitaly Buterin, Ross Nicole, who is a developer of Dogecoin. He's developing it. You have this Oscar guy. He is another software developer. Then we have this Salmon Green girl. She was the interviewer pretty much. So she interviewed them, and she was asking the important questions, asking what needed to go on with Dogecoin and Ethereum and the whole bridge and everything. So this was a pretty well-rounded interview. So let's go over everything that we will be going over. So anyways, they're fixing a lot of stuff with Dogecoin, and there's just a bunch of stuff that's going to be going on. So the Dogecoin Ethereum bridge is now happening. So the Doge Ethereum source code is available here. If you want to check it out on GitHub, they have the whole thing on GitHub. And yeah, we have so much going on here. Let's go on to this next thing. You can view this whole thing if you want, but pretty much they're just talking about Dogecoin and Ethereum, and then the bridge that's supposed to be happening between Dogecoin and Ethereum. So you can view that, and I'm just gonna kind of summarize it, right? So the Dogecoin Ethereum, what is the Dogecoin Ethereum bridge? So the Dogecoin Ethereum bridge is now being explained here. The Dogecoin Ethereum bridge allows investors to send Dogecoin from the Doge blockchain all the way over to the Ethereum blockchain, so converting them into Doge tokens. These Doge tokens can interact with different exchanges like DeFi before returning to the Doge blockchain as Dogecoins via the Doge Ethereum bridge. So that's pretty much what it's going to do. It's going to create a bridge from Dogecoin to Ethereum, so then their blockchains can interact and you can send between both blockchains. So this will allow for significantly more Doge transactions to take place per second than previously possible. So it's going to up the transaction speeds and transaction times. Ethereum co-founder Vitaly Buterin is playing a role in developing the Doge Ethereum bridge. Buterin's active involvement with the meme cryptocurrency could be a boon in itself too. So Vitaly Buterin and Doge Ethereum lead Oscar Guenzerberg, whatever you want to call him, recently appeared in a live interview via Twitch that we just now talked about, which interested parties can watch for additional insight. As for the basics of what Dogecoin Ethereum bridge actually is, however, the above information has it covered. So they pretty much explained it all in one right there. So it's the bridge between Ethereum and Dogecoin's blockchain, so then you can send things cross blockchain, and it makes the transaction times for Dogecoin much faster, much smoother. So crypto has been back on the rise recently following the out of the blue downturn. So I wouldn't say it's out of the blue. There has been a lot of things, happening left and right. We had the whole e-commerce thing with Coinbase, and then we have the Amazon thing. They're hiring a crypto advisor for Amazon. So there's a lot of stuff going on with, and then we had the whole AMA with Elon Musk and Jack Dorsey. So a lot of things just happened back to him, back and back. So it pretty much helped everything jump. So while the Dogecoin Ethereum bridge is good news for Doge holders, some are concerned that a ban may be inbound. Doge ban fears are due to recent action within Asian countries, though it remains to be seen whether these measures will spread. Although there are no meme crypto bans in the US yet, some states are banning PC components. Now, I believe in Thailand they actually banned meme coins and stuff like that. So that's what they're talking about. And inside of the US, they've been talking about they want to ban, like Doge and all these other meme coins, but nothing like that has happened. Hopefully it doesn't happen. But if it does, how are they going to enforce it? I mean, I still have stuff in my account. How are they going to enforce, the people to sell Dogecoin? Like, if it's, it's like going up to someone and saying you can no longer own houses. Now those houses are ours. How are you going to force people to get out of the houses? People rebel. There's a lot of different stuff going on with that. A lot of different factors. So I don't believe Dogecoin will ever fully be banned inside the U.S. Maybe they'll ban some exchanges from dealing with Dogecoin, but they can't really ban people from holding Dogecoin. It's like banning someone for breathing air, banning someone for using the US dollar, banning someone for having Russian currency inside of their homes, banning someone for anything, so you can't really do that. But anyways, Burger King inside Brazil will now accept Dogecoin for their dog food. So they literally have dog treats for dogs inside of Brazil, and now they're accepting Dogecoin for these dog treats inside of Brazil. So Burger King Brazil now accepting Dogecoin as payments methods for their purchase for their dog whatever you want to call them, the dog snacks. So the service has been available since Monday, according to the company's official website, though users should check the availability. Blah, blah, blah. Each dog a dog treat that plays on the name of Burger King's best known menu option, the Whopper. So now it costs $3, which is 60 cents for one of these dog treats. The company recommends purchasing a maximum of 5 units per order for availability issues. Users must transfer Doge to a Burger King Brazil wallet, although they can also purchase the dog food with fiat. So the dog is not something new for Burger King. The company had already launched the product in Argentina in 2019, so that customers could share something with their dogs when they receive their deliveries. So pretty cool news out there for the Dogecoins and for all the Doges out there inside Burger King. Shout out to that. That's pretty cool. And also we have some Robinhood news here. So Robinhood reportedly testing a feature to protect crypto investors from volatility. So the feature was discovered in the code for a beta test version of Robinhood's iPhone app. So zero fee trading platform Robinhood is now working with this new feature. Now Robinhood is also testing an option called Round Up Investments that will allow users to purchase specific stocks with spare change, whether this money will come from rounded up debit or credit card purchases done by competitors, something like Acorn. So that's pretty cool there. And then they also have this whole thing going on with the Robinhood app with the crypto thing. So let's talk about that too. Also, they said Bloomberg's report, which was based on iOS developer Steve Moore's analysis of new code contained in a beta version of the Robinhood app, claims Robinhood is developing a new feature called price volatility protection, which is aimed at reducing the impact of crypto price volatility on users. According to the report, the code contains a message that reads, "To protect your orders against price volatility, we may sometimes skip your recurring buy orders to buy less than your chosen amount." So pretty much this isn't going to do much for people. It's something Robinhood's doing to protect themselves, not to protect other people. It's going to benefit Robinhood. It's not really going to benefit you. So this isn't really big news. They're just protecting themselves so they don't get sued. Coming up on their IPO, they're trying not to get sued. So they're doing everything possible to not get sued. So that's how I see it. Let me know how you guys see it, but that's just how I see it. They're trying to protect themselves. But moving on to the next thing. So we have this new thing inside Louisville. So Louisville First Crypto Cafe will take Dogecoin in exchange for coffee. So yeah, now we have a Louis store coffee shop now accepting Dogecoin for their coffees. Like many businesses, 78 Coffee Company is now in the middle of rebranding, and now they're planning on Dogecoin to rebrand. And the coffee shop located in Phoenix also now as Dogebean. There's another coffee shop in Phoenix. So a lot of people are doing this idea with coffee and Dogecoin. and different Dogecoin based themes. So a lot of people are playing off that. So Dogecoin fan offers 10% discount on his house if buyers pay him in Dogecoin. So yeah, Dogecoin is really going global. People are offering discounts if you buy their house, and considering that the price is at 389,000, that's a pretty good incentive. So 10% off of 389,000, whatever that is, don't know what it is, don't care to do the math right now. But anyways, someone's selling their house, so if you want to buy it in Dogecoin, you can get 10% off. So that's pretty good right there. Now, will Dogecoin gain enough momentum to reach $1? That is the main question that everyone has today. And I do believe it will. It's going to take some time, but it's going to do it eventually. Now, you can't expect it to just boom, just out of the blue, just go straight up to $1. But also something I want to talk about, look at this price here. Look at how it goes all the way from there to there. All right, so look at this technical analysis they're doing. Pretty much we have the same thing over here, except I ended it over here with the consolidation. But if you really want to look at it from a realistic point of view, this is the technical analysis that you need to be paying attention to, because this is going to tell whether or not we break out of this consolidation and go up towards $1 or not. So honestly, I don't know what's about to happen with Dogecoin. I'm not a financial advisor, and none of this is financial advice. I'm just kind of following what their technicals are saying, but my technical is pretty close to theirs. But anyways, I don't know what's going to happen next with Dogecoin. None of us do. All we know is the fundamentals that we have in play. So another fundamental that we have in play with Dogecoin is this whole Coinbase e-commerce thing, and we already went over this a lot of times, so we're not going to really go over it much. But anyways, you just have to know that it's here because it is a really big part of Dogecoin. It is a really major catalyst right now. So also, you can't forget about the Doge 1 mission with Elon Musk and SpaceX. They're going to be doing that, and that is going to send Dogecoin straight to the moon. But anyways, the S&P 500 crypto index also left Dogecoin out, so that's also something that we talked about previously, but I just wanted to go back over that because some people were wondering why they left it out. And let's just say because it's a meme coin. Let's be completely honest why they left it out. It's a meme coin. So anyways, weighted according to the S&P Digital Market Index, the coin's collective returns crunched down to a point-based performance figure unknown to the average banker. The index average market cap is about 4.8 billion. However, the S&P would argue that it largely consisted of small cap and mid cap coins, possibly because of the BDM's inclusion committee policies. More notable coins like Monero and XRP haven't been making the cut, blah blah blah. Pretty much they're giving their excuse why they didn't add Dogecoin, but in my opinion, it's a meme coin. They looked at it like a meme and they're like, no, we're not going to add it. So that's my take on it. But remember, none of this financial advice. This is just a quick little update on Dogecoin. But if you like this video, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe, and check out the link in the description for free stock with Robinhood and Webull. I'll be back with another video. Peace.